Okay, time for roll call. Lily? Lily!
I'm here. I didn't take the bus today. I need to save money.
All right. Becca? Becca?
It's time to welcome the fabulous and wonderful Becca!
Wow! You're so rich!
Don't talk to me. You're broke. Studying? Yeah, right. Butler!
Yes, Miss Becca?
I want you to make studying fun.
Oh, I know what to do. How fast does a cheetah run?
I don't know.
What's the square root of 77?
I don't know.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
I don't know.
What's the diameter of the moon?
Oh! Never mind.
Who wrote Hamlet?
Shakespeare!
When's Chinese New Year?
February 1st!
First governor of Nebraska. Becca?
I think I'm done studying.
Okay, Miss Becca, take a rest.
I got my books on sale, but they're so old.
Huh? Math can be groovy.
Hey there, student. Would you like to test out our new teaching headset? It helps students with school.
Okay, but how much does it pay?
Oh, it pays $100.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, let's go. Once you put the headset on, the lesson will start.
Okay. Wow! Whoa, this is so cool!
Welcome to your virtual classroom. What would you like to learn about?
What do I ask?
Anything you want. Just remember, there may be some glitches.
What's the biggest bird in the world?
The biggest bird is the common ostrich.
Cool, what's the number for pi?
Pi equals 3.14.
Get me out of here!
Oh, sorry about that.
Give me that!
Hey!
All right, students, time for a pop quiz.
All right, Professor. Pop quiz, huh? Time to try out my special glasses. Whoa! Time to get some answers.
Just remember, cheating is bad.
Ooh, nice.
Wow, Becca, your glasses look nice.
Oh, thanks, Miss Amy.
Can I try them on? I've been wanting frames like this forever.
Huh?
Cheater! Go to the principal's
I
office.
just got a new prescription.
No excuses, leave.
Oh, whatever. All right, time to make some quick cash.
Ooh, $100! But how will I get the test answers? Oh, I know!
Test answers are ready. Time for lunch. What's this cardboard box doing here?
Maybe I'll wait until after lunch. Nice, she fell for it. Time to get some answers. Let's get out of here. Oh no!
Okay, bye. I know what I can use this box for. I'll store all my books. Huh? Hey, what are you doing here?
Nothing. Just trying to surprise you.
What are those papers you have? Are those my test answers?
Yes.
Go to detention.
Okay.
Everyone's gonna want to join my club.
Oh, cool stuff. Can I join your club?
Do you have a lot of money in your bank?
I have $20 for lunch.
Ew! I don't want your lunch money.
That's all right, miss. Someone will join.
Interesting.
I think we have a new member. So how much money do you have?
I have tons. Check it out.
That's it? One suitcase? I have 100 of those at home.
Miss Becca, no one can join your club if you don't let them.
Well, if no one's good enough, then it's fine. I don't care if I'm alone. I have candy! Guys, come back!
Hey. Hi. Oh, I know someone wants to join my club. I guess no one wants to join my club.
Hi guys, it's Mia from Mia's Life. I'm just checking out the clubs around school. Ooh, hard work club? Sounds like a winner.
Being an influencer
too.
Yeah, sign me up.
Yeah, the more the merrier.
Right. Hey, it's me again. If you guys want to have some fun, come join our club, right guys?
Yeah.
Turn up the music, let's party! Woo!
Hi everyone, today's class elections. Our first candidate is Becka.
If I'm elected president, it'll be fun times all the time. And to start it off, free money!
Ooh, free money.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
This isn't real money.
Boo.
We want real money.
Yeah.
Hey, the more money you have, the more like you.
Give it up for Becka. Hey, I'm giving you guys attention.
Oh, class elections. $500 cash prize?
Let's go.
Oh, I hope they like my chocolate coins.
Crowd is crazy out there. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Now our final candidate, Lily.
Oh, Lily? If I get elected president, I'll do my best to help everyone.
Oh.
Now enjoy these free coins. Oh, sorry.
Hey, these coins are made of chocolate.
Oh, you're right.
And they taste good too. Lily for president. Yeah.
Lily.
Lily.
Oh, thank you.
And the winner by a landslide, Lily!
Congrats, Lily. I think you'll be a good president.
Thanks, Becca.
I'm sorry I was so mean to you.
It's okay.
It doesn't matter who you are. Friendship is for everyone.
You said it, Crafty Cat.
Aww.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.